best smoke, ride around and blaze shit. Dancing on the moon as soon as I walk out my spaceship. I make this music for myself, so fuck the fakeness. Either you gon' feel it cause you're real, or you gon' hate this. And my statement is my movement, I take it while you lose it. Facilitated dreams in between being a student and a shepherd. Converting sheep with every single record. And my good is always better than your best, so fuck your efforts. I'm a young gun, gunning for your spot, motherfucker. I'm the unsung, drumming at the top, motherfucker. Till I die, still I rise above the evils. Out in California, steady lighting up the chisel. Reminiscing chains on the veins of the people. Trying to end the pain in a world full of needles. Temptation runs deep when the truth acts fetal. And these beats on my canvas and my mind is the easel, motherfuckers. This can't be real, this feeling that I feel, yeah. But don't you want it? Don't you wanna have it? Hanging in your face, now you finally got to grab it. But I'm just me, so how'd I get this far? Yeah, but don't I want it? Don't I wanna have it? Hanging in my face, now I finally got to grab it. Flight life, bright lights on the runway. Rap dream, cash fiend, life on a one-way. I sneak around with the devil every Sunday. Wrestle in the sheets as my beats freak the feng shui. We let the sun rays energize the power. Pass a couple blunts, then we fuck inside the shower till it's time to go. I left my mind at home. I swear the world is always dressed up in designer clothes, but I'ma be a billionaire. Yeah, you can quote that. I'm about to blow off my lines, call it coke rap.